Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about parks in Jamaica. Now, the Prime Minister announced that he wants to build a park like this. This is a Portmore Resilience Park in every parish in Jamaica. Now, this park costs $4.4 billion and sits on 26 acres of prime real estate. So while it's good to build parks, these parks are expensive, and I'm for building parks. Parks are good, but I'm not for building parks on prime real estate for this. Guys, let me know what you think. Now, this park could have been built somewhere else and an urban center put here instead. This park is in Portmore. It's 26 acres of land. When you're coming into Portmore, it's across from the Portmore Mall, and it is basically prime real estate. All around this park is built up. If it's not commercial, it's residential. There is a lot of land, even out in other places where they could have built the park, but it's being built here. In Montego Bay, they spent billions of dollars also to build Harmony Beach Park. That one is also sitting down on prime real estate. I'm not sure how many acres that one is, but it's a massive park. It's right beside the Harbor City Mall. We actually have videos up of it. You can check it out. Now, these are nice parks. So if the government was to build one like this in every parish, you're looking at about $60 billion. But the Prime Minister announced that they'll be doing this. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, the government will be undertaking a program for the establishment of parks across the island that will create space for recreation and wellness. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the disclosure while addressing the $4.4 billion Portmore Resilient Park in St. Catherine. Said he will outline further details on parks in his upcoming budget presentation. We have a few more parks to come. The idea is that every parish in Jamaica should have one such park. So I have asked the Urban Development Corporation, UDC, to actively search for lands in all the parishes to create such parks, he said. We will be doing more parks for Jamaica, and that is part of building We will be doing more parks for Jamaica, and that is part of building the caring economy, the Prime Minister added. Noting the government's commitment to the development of key critical infrastructure, he said that as the economy continues to grow, investment will be made in creating social spaces that will benefit Jamaicans. The Portmore Resilience Park will serve as a hub for recreation, sports, wellness, and entertainment. It will feature hard and soft landscaping, sporting facilities, event spaces, commercial areas, public restrooms, security features, parking, a 700-meter jogging trail, signs, and interactive equipment. The park will be climate smart with green technology, electric vehicle charging station, and rainwater harvesting. So that's the end of the update article. So they plan to build parks with those similar features in every parish in Jamaica. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.